Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see a web scraping screening round question. So which was asked in one of the organization. So the question was to scrap the data in such a way that it gets the name of the organization and their URL. So basically what we want here is the name of the company. Okay, I will open the sample URL if you can see. So they had given this sample URL. Let me see, control click. Yeah, it's opening there, and let me open this also. So here you can see the sample URLs. So you can see the company and the stand number. So we don't want this. So basically they want is exhibitor. So basically these companies are exhibitors. Okay, so what they want to scrap is the name of the company and their link. So if I hover on this, you can see the link at the below, right? It is https archiexpo.io, something like that. Okay, and the link changes for every company. Okay, and in this website also you can see this is the company name, and this is these are the exhibitors, and we need to get the URLs. So basically, okay, so I have written the code. I will explain you with how it goes. Okay, so firstly we need to install the BS4 library, that is Beautiful Soap, and request to get this URL. Okay, and so in the URL first I am using this, that is archiexpo. Okay, and is a listing. Then using response variable I am getting the URL here, and response content. So in this HTML content, so basically I have the content. So if I print this HTML content, okay, so let me comment this for now. Okay, so if I print this, you will see the HTML content, basically the body and everything. Okay, so here you can see everything, that is body starting from the div itself. You can see everything. So doctech HTML and that is basically the web page itself, HTML content in this sense. Okay, so HTML body you will get. Then after that I'm parsing the web. Okay, so you can see the parsed element in soup. So I run this also. So you will see this kind of things. So basically it gives it in a proper format. So after parsing, okay, so whatever it is, and so basically in this soup you can see the contents in the proper format. So here you can see that it is href and the company name also. So if I go to the head here, so basically here I think this is our first company, 2EVA Energy Consultant, right? So here you can see 2EVA Energy Consultant. So that is our target, right? So you can also get it from here, else you can just right click and then click on inspect. Okay, so basically you will get here. So I will also show you how you can get that part. So once you get this soup, you need to target the elements. So let me not uncomment this. So let me comment out, uncomment this part. So basically element is nothing but we are finding the target element, soup.find all td and class excel63. So how did I target this? So once I go here, you can choose this symbol. So select an element, and if I hover on this, you will see that it is an a tag. But if I click on here, you will see that it is td. Basically these are tables. If I close this, you can see that it is table format. So every class has a td class excel63. okay, and inside that if you go, you will see that href, so which directs to the link of that particular organization or company, and also the name is there. Okay, so I'm targeting this class td class excel63, so that is there here. Okay, I'm finding basically everything. So using for loop for I in elements, so basically these elements I am getting the text. So I.a.text if I in a, so if it is available then I'm getting the text, else I'm leaving it, okay, empty. So basically what I'm getting here is, so what is the code, I forgot. So it is I.a.text. so if I hover on this, you can see that in this, okay, how do I go here? Okay, no issues. So here you can see I.a.text. okay, So this is how it is getting, okay, and that is how I get the name of the company, and i.a.href is the link of that particular organization, okay. That is the code base. So in this way I'm getting whatever required things, and finally I'm creating two empty list, and I'm appending x in that and y in b, okay, and then importing pandas. After that I'm forming the pandas data frame and the name of the company and link, okay. So if I print this entirely, so you will see a beautifully created data frame which has the name of the company and the link, okay. So this is what they were expecting in the first output, okay. So there is a catch in this, I will tell you at the end, so that at least you should learn something, you need not leave the video here, okay. So it has 110 rows, so basically 110 listings are there or exhibitors are there here on this page, okay. I'm not going to calculate it, okay, so let's leave that part here, okay. So for now this is fine. So this is the first link, right. Next is the second link. So basically this is Aust Gaming Expo, or Australian Gaming Expo, you can say, okay. It is Australasian, okay, Gaming Expo, okay. And let's right click on here also and hit on inspect, okay. So I have not looked at the tags there, what tags were there, but let's do it from here. So once I click on here, you can see that it is there in div class exhibitor item and title is there, okay. AEC solutions, and also link is there. So basically A and href gives us the link, okay, and the title gives us the name of that organization. So going here, so response.content, okay. So what we are doing here is, okay, we are first finding exhibitor items, okay, and then we are parsing it, okay. So first getting the link, then response.content in this, okay, and HTML content HTML parser. After that find exhibitor item. So basically class is exhibitor item here. So this is the class that is exhibitor item which we are going to iterate over. And what is happening here? Soup is equal to, okay, I don't need this, okay. And then exhibitor div is equal to, okay, I have written this twice, I don't know why. Let me comment out this HTML content HTML parser, then div exhibitor item, okay. Then I need to uncomment this part, okay. For exhibitor div in exhibitor divs, okay, title is equal to exhibitor div dot get title. So basically we are getting the title from here. This is the title, that is the name of the organization, and a element, okay, a element is equal to exhibitor div dot find a exhibitor image. So exhibitor image, where is that exhibitor image? This is the exhibitor image, okay. So exhibitor's image, and from that I'm getting the link, okay. Exhibitor's image a dot element dot get href, okay. Here also I'm using if else, okay. So if it is empty, then nothing should be getting. So let us print this. Are we getting? Yeah. So here you can see title is Tanda, then task literal technology. Let's see where it is. Tanda task literal technology, it's not there, okay. We are at the bottom, sorry guys. Yeah, I thought I lost it. So basically it is AAC solutions. I should have created the data frame AAC solutions, and the link is there, okay. So so that we should not get confused here, let us do the same thing. So let us have a is equal to, sorry, let us have x is equal to this and y is equal to an empty list. Then let's append x, okay, it is x dot append what it is, title, right, not this, we don't want it in the quotes. What is happening? Title, and then y dot append what it is, href, right. And after that, to form the data frame, what we need is just copy this code from here. Let us copy entire thing, okay. and let us paste it here, and let's have the name and link as it is. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, we are printing this also, we don't know this. Okay, let's print now. Yeah, so this is the final data from this. So name and link. So the total 198 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so in this way you can scrap the data, like whatever data you want. Okay, so if you want this code or the notebook, just comment it out. I would paste it in the description after pushing it in the git. Okay, and the catch which I was saying here is this was basically the screening round. Okay, so screening round, and this was not the actual question, guys. So that's the catch. So let me show you the question. Okay, so basically there were 2 questions and or 2 problem statements, you can say. Okay, but I could not do it completely, just a halfway around. So sorry, my bad, because I don't have that much time to think over it and solve it, but still I tried the second one. Okay, so let me read you the second problem statement. So basically there are millions of websites with listing companies attending an events called exhibitors. List of companies attending an event called exhibitors. So problem statement is build a solution to extract exhibitor list from the website which may be or may not be structured. Okay, so that we achieved. Okay, let us read the other part. So assume a website contains a list of companies with their names and addition fields like website URL and location. Task is to extract company names along with the website. So that is our task which we did. Okay, and you can store the information about the company, that is optional, but we did that also. Okay, and they have given us some websites. So this sample listing URL 1 and URL 2 is nothing but these 2. Okay, third one I did not do because it is dynamic. Let me show you. Okay, so basically this we need to do it using Selenium because it's literally dynamic. So I tried to do it, but what I can say, I could not achieve it. So if you are free enough or you are really interested to do this, you can try it. Okay, and if you come to the solution, just push it in the git and push it in the comment section so that everybody can learn, including me. Okay, and here's the catch, that is not the task actually. So goal is not to script the page on time, rather create a script that can run on other sites. We would test your code by running it on other sample URLs to check the effectiveness. So what they're asking here is, what we did here is, for each URL our code is different, right? So like some changes are there. So what they want here is, they just want a common solution. Okay, so basically they want one code or one code snippet which will extract the data they have expecting, that is exhibitor name and URL, that is fixed. Okay, other things are complementary or you can say optional, and that is the things they want to extract. So basically the code should run on this URL also, this URL also, this URL, the single code. Okay, and they are going to test it on other URLs also. Okay, so in that manner you need to write your code. Okay, and submit the source code for the exhibitor information extract logic. Okay, and provide the document explaining the logic and methodologies employed. Okay, test cases demonstrating effectiveness and blah blah blah. And they have said use Python or PHP. It's up to you. So I have used Python. PHP is not my forte. That is the problem statement 2, which was easier to understand and do it, but the first one was it's way beyond. Okay, so the problem statement 1 was like there are millions of events hosted every year. We want to track the new events launched or rehosted from available website links. Okay, so let me open this for you. So basically what they want is, they want to get the event dates which are hosted. Okay, start and end date, and also the upcoming events. Okay, okay, that identifies upcoming events. Okay, attaching the sample websites which I have opened here. Let us see that. And here's the catch. So data could be on main page or sub pages or an image, Okay, so basically what they are saying is, so they have given this many links here. Okay, so if I open one of the links, so let's open this. So if I open this, so here you will see some of the events. So event information here is there, and maybe upcoming. Okay, here you can see, okay, this has happened already. Upcoming events, where it is. Okay, let me open one event. I had opened, I think, one. not this, this bar, not this, I don't want this. Okay, which I had opened, okay, okay, don't want that. Okay, let me open one. Okay, let me open this. Well, let's see whether you can see the, I don't know, let's check it out. Okay, so basically the screening round was pretty much tough, guys, so I did not want to waste much of time. So okay, here you can see the upcoming events, right? So if I click on this, this is a sub page now. Okay, I'm going inside it, and here you can see, okay, upcoming events. Here you can see upcoming events. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, here you can see Friday, Feb 2, 2024. So today is 19th of Jan 2024, right? So they want this date, July 16. Okay, so if I click on this, I think they also want the end date. Okay, so based on this, you can say that it is one day event because it is from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. MST. I'm not sure what is MST, check it out. And the event, okay. So like that, they want it in this format. So basically the name, that is, this is the name, General Membership Board Installation Launch, something like that. And then a start date, which is Feb, what was it, Feb 2, okay, and the end date is also same, Feb 2, and the website link, which is this, when I click on this, I think so, okay, that is the link, okay, of that event. And city, country, organizer are optional, but the task is to do that. And it can be on main page, sub page, or an image. Okay, so date could be in different language. Okay, this is also different. Okay, they are saying like, okay, there was one website which was in, I think, Urdu, which we need to translate. So this task is like, it's bigger than I thought. And date could be in different language. They are saying based on the country. So languages also may differ. And they're saying include the document explaining algo and the implementation, submit the source code that is tested on another sample set. Okay, that they are saying. So basically this is for testing. They are going to test the code on their test cases. Okay, so pretty much a huge task, that is problem statement 1, which is itself a problem. So if you are interested, you can comment it out. I would attach this sheet itself in the description. You can work on this, and if you come to the solution, like I'll try to reward with something. Okay, both these things. Okay, problem statement 1 and problem statement 2. Okay, so like we can also collab, and you can explain the solution on my channel if you are interested. It's up to you. Okay, but definitely if you are able to come up with these solutions, definitely there's going to be reward. So take this as a challenge and try to solve problem statement 1 and 2. Okay, hope this helps. So if you're interested, just comment it out first. After that, I'm going to paste it in the description, else not. And after that, let's start the challenge. Okay, so hope this helps. So this was like a screening round, guys. So basically they would have asked the questions from this itself, even if your algo was like 70% correct. Okay, so that will be the cutoff they will be keeping. Okay, and else it might be something else. Okay, based on the core data engineering or data scraping interview. Okay, so they might ask you questions on like many things. There are many things. So once you start looking into this, you will learn a lot of things. Okay, so I was also unaware of web scraping things. I just learned recently. Okay, so it's a quite interesting topic and also very huge topic. So I also tried to create a generic code, but I don't know, but every website has different tags, right? I don't know how it works. So for that, like you need to give a couple amount of time, right? So I don't have time right now. Like I do have, but I'm putting the effort somewhere else. Okay, like my domain is different and this domain is different, but still for the folks who are in the data engineering category, this could be beneficial, or data scraping, data website scraping category. Okay, this could be beneficial. So if you want it, just comment it out. I will put it in the description. Okay, and sorry about this, like this is not the entire what they were code, what they were expecting, but yeah, if you are eager to learn, like nothing is in vain, so you will definitely learn something from this. Okay, And if you do hit the subscribe button. Until then, take care. Bye bye.